this lecture, I'll go through the two most important ad types used in mobile applications. The first one is interstitial ad and the second one is banner ad. Interstitial ads are full screen ads that cover the interface of their host application. They are typically displayed at natural transition points in the flow of an application, such as between activities, during the pause between levels in a game, between screens or pages in an app. They often freeze on the screen for a select number of seconds until an X out button presents itself. These are full screen ads that tend to have higher click-through rates than banner ads but may have a higher CPC. CPC is cost per click, so that's the amount you make when someone clicks on your ad. On the other hand, banner ads are comparatively smaller and they always appear either at the bottom or top of the screen. It is the most popular advertising format to date. Before, these ads produced mostly ineffective accidental clicks. Now it can be rather effective if implemented in the proper context. It is passive, non-intrusive, and does not interrupt the user experience. So that's it in this lecture. Thank you.